Yes, good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about DOS and NOS. Okay, so our today's topic is DOS and NOS. DOS. Okay, see, DOS stands for Distributed Operating System, and NOS stands for Network Operating System. Okay, so before starting this topic, uh, we should we should know that what is operating system. Operating system is a system software, a collection of software modules to assist programmers in enhancing system efficiency, flexibility, and robustness of working of the system. Okay, see, there are so many functions of operating system, such as scheduling process, managing system resources, maintaining system integrity and performing error recovery, multiplexing the processor, providing an interface to the users, etc. Okay, so if we talk about types of operating system, so first centralized, second network operating system, third distributed operating system, and fourth cooperative autonomous system. Okay, so today we will talk about distributed system and network operating system. Okay, see, this type of first DOS, distributed operating system. See, this types of operating system is a recent advancement in the world of computer technology and are being widely accepted all over the world, that uh, with a great pace. Okay, various autonomous various autonomous interconnected computers communicate each other using a shared communication network. Independent system process their own memory unit and CPU. These are referred as loosely coupled system. Coupled system, or it is called a distributed system. Distributed system. Okay. These systems processors differ in size and function. The major benefit of working with this type of operating system is that it is always possible that one user can access the files or software which are not actually present on a system but on some other system connected within this network. Okay, see, here remote access is enabled within the devices connected in that network. Okay, so let's see. Suppose that this is operating system. Okay, this is CPU, disk, CPU, disk, and memory. Okay, first thing is that CPU, memory, and here CPU, disk, and memory. And here CPU, memory. here CPU, disk, memory. Okay guys, see, if we talk about advantage of distributed operating system, failure of one will not affect the other network communication as all systems are independent from each other. Second, electronic mail increases the data exchange speed. Third, since resources are being shared, computation is highly fast and durable. Okay. Next, load on host computers reduces. Next, these systems are easily scalable as many systems can be easily added to the network. Next, delay in data processing reduces. Okay, these are the advantages of operating distributed operating system. Okay. See, if we talk about disadvantages or demerits, disadvantages of DOS. If you talk about disadvantages, failure of the main network will stop the entire communication. Okay, we we focus on one diagram. Okay, so according to diagram, failure of the main network will stop the entire communication. To establish distributed system are to establish distributed system, the languages which are used are not well defined yet. Okay, and we can also say that these types of system are not readily available as they are very expensive. Not only that, the underlying software is highly complex and not understood well yet. Okay, these are the disadvantages of distributed operating system. Okay, friends, if we talk about characteristics of distributed operating system, there are many characteristics of distributed operating system, such as global interprocess communication mechanism. First, global interprocess communication mechanism. Second, a global protection scheme. Global protection scheme. Third, uniform process management system. Uniform process management system. Fourth, uniform file system. Fourth, uniform file system. Fifth, multiprocessor time sharing system. Multiprocessor time sharing system. Time sharing system. Okay, so these are the characteristics of distributed operating system. First, global interface, sorry, global interprocess communication mechanism. Second, global protection scheme. Third, uniform process management system. Fourth, uniform file system. Fifth, multiprocessor time sharing system. Okay, so these are the characteristics of DOS, and we can include one more thing, that identical operating system kernel resident on each computer kernel responsible for memory management and process scheduling on each computer. Okay, so we can add this thing in characteristic of DOS. Okay, so it is all about DOS. Okay, first we discussed definition, advantages, disadvantages, and characteristics of DOS. Okay, next let's talk about NOS, network operating system. See, this system run on a server and provides the capability to manage data, users, groups, security applications, and other networking functions. These types of operating system allow shared access of files, printers, security applications, and other networking functions over a small private network. One more important one more important aspect of networking functions over a small private network. One more important aspect of networking of system is that all the users are well aware of the underlying configuration, or all other users within the network, their individual connections, etc. And that's why these computers are properly known as tightly coupled system. Tightly coupled system. Coupled systems. Okay, so if we go through the diagram, suppose that client 1, client 2, client 3, and client 4. Okay, so if we talk about advantages of NOS, highly stable centralized servers. Okay, security concerns are handled through servers. New technologies and hardware upgradation are easily integrated to the system. Server access are possible remotely from different location and types of system. Okay, these are the advantages. Okay, once again we go through it. Highly stable centralized servers, security concerns are handled through servers, new technologies and hardware upgradation are easily integrated to the system, and server access are possible remotely from different location and types of systems. Okay, if we talk about disadvantages, if we talk about disadvantages, NOS. See, servers are costly. First, servers are costly. Okay, first point is that user has to depend on central location. User has to, this one according to diagram, users has to depend on central location for most operations. Okay, this client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4, and this is file server. Okay, uh, maintenance and updates are required regularly. Maintenance and updates are required regularly. Maintenance and updates are required regularly. Okay. See, if we talk about examples of NOS, Microsoft Windows Server 2003, Microsoft Windows Server 2008, okay, Novel Network, etc. Okay, so this is all about distributed operating system and network operating system. Okay, one more thing we can add over here, that network operating system allows following application level services. First, remote login, application services. First, remote login. Second, file transfer. Third, messaging. Fourth, browsing. Okay, what NOS allows application level services. First, remote login. Second, file transfer. Third, messaging. Or fourth, browsing. Okay, so this is all about NOS and DOS, distributed operating system and network operating system. These are the types of operating system. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.